Imagine a train that pulls out of the station 20 seconds too early, and the company issues a formal public apology for it. That is not a joke. That actually happened in Japan. And honestly, that is just the beginning. Japan is stuffed with tiny, delightful details that feel like they leaked in from the future, and most of the world has no idea. Let us start with the vending machines. There are over 4 million of them scattered across the country. That is roughly one machine for every 30 people. They do not just sell soda. You can buy hot coffee in a can, fresh eggs, umbrellas, flowers, hot ramen, and in some towns, live crabs and edible insects, all from a glowing box on the sidewalk. And the machines almost never get robbed. In a country this safe, people leave them humming quietly on empty country roads all night long, and nothing happens. Now, the square watermelons. Farmers grow them inside glass boxes so they turn into perfect cubes. Why? So they stack neatly in the fridge and do not roll off the counter. Japan treats fruit like jewelry. A single flawless melon can sell for hundreds of dollars, wrapped in ribbon, given as a serious, respectful gift. Speaking of gifts, Japan has made over 400 flavors of Kit Kat. Wasabi, purple sweet potato, sake, soy sauce, even melon and cheese. The reason is a happy accident. In Japanese, Kit Kat sounds like a phrase meaning surely win. So students buy them as good luck charms before big exams. Then there are the toilets. Japanese toilets have heated seats, built-in music to cover embarrassing sounds, and warm water jets. Some greet you by lifting the lid as you walk in. Even the animals live well. In the mountains, wild snow monkeys soak in steaming natural hot springs to stay warm, sitting there with red faces like tiny, relaxed old men. Back to those famous trains. The average delay across the entire high-speed network is under 1 minute per year. Staff bow to the tracks as trains arrive and leave. During rush hour, some stations employ gentle pushers wearing white gloves whose only job is to politely squeeze passengers into packed carriages so the doors can close. And here's a shock. Japanese streets are spotless, yet there are almost no public trash cans. People simply carry their garbage home. Cleanliness is treated as basic good manners. That starts young. Schools often have no janitors. Students clean their own classrooms, hallways, and even toilets every single day, learning that the space belongs to everyone. If your brain is already a little bit melted, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We tell one delightful Japan story like this every single day, and you do not want to miss the next one. Okay, back to the fun. Japan gave the world themed cafes. Cat cafes, owl cafes, hedgehog cafes, and even cafes where you sip coffee surrounded by capybaras. Need a bed? Capsule hotels rent you a cozy sleeping pod barely bigger than your body, stacked in tidy rows, clean, cheap, and strangely comforting. Each spring, the entire country pauses for the cherry blossoms. Weather forecasts track a blossom front sweeping north, and millions picnic under the pink petals. Look down, and you will find art. Towns compete to design the most beautiful manhole covers, painted with fish, castles, flowers, and cartoon characters. People travel just to photograph them. There is a word, madanai, that expresses sadness over waste. It is why things get repaired, reused, and cherished instead of thrown away. Broken pottery is not trash either. With an art called kintsugi, cracks are filled with gold, making the object more beautiful for having been broken. Doctors here actually prescribe forest bathing. You simply walk slowly through the woods, breathing, listening. Studies suggest it genuinely lowers stress and blood pressure. On the wild end, there are restaurants staffed by robots, hotels checked into by dinosaur robots, and entire arcades glowing with games that will not exist anywhere else. At conveyor belt sushi spots, plates glide past on a little track. In modern ones, a tiny bullet train delivers your order right to your seat. And the politeness is real. There are different bows for different situations, and staff will chase you down the street to return a single forgotten coin. Japan also gave us the loyal Akita and the true story of Hachiko, a dog who waited at a train station every day for 9 years for an owner who had passed away. Put it all together and you get a place where the tiniest details, a train, a melon, a manhole cover, are treated with astonishing care and imagination. That is the real secret of Japan. It is not just high-tech or ancient tradition. It is a whole country quietly deciding that even the small things deserve to be wonderful. So which of these blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments, and stick around, because tomorrow we have another Japan story you will not believe is true.